Are you looking to shoot some beauties? Or maybe you've got a product you got to shoot. Or you're just looking for some nice soft light, right? Well, one of my favorites is always to use a beauty dish. They're nice and hard. They're pretty sturdy, but you know what? They're kind of hard to deal with at times. And have I got something for you? That's right, MagMod has got a new beauty dish. Comes in this amazing case, and it just comes out. And look at this. It pops up, and it becomes a wonderful beauty dish that you can add to your system so easily and so simply. And you even have the ability to add a honeycomb grid to control the amount of light that comes with it. And why would I use a beauty dish? Well, beauty dishes are great because it takes the direct light and diffuses it into a nice round circular area. It's not as soft as a softbox. It's much more controllable. It gives you a very, very good look and a great, great specular in the eye. So beauty dishes are fantastic for people. I even use them for products as well. It just has that harder edge. It's not fully soft. So it's a great way. And it's really simple. They come with a Bowens mount that attaches to your strobe or your continuous light. Just like that. Look how easy and simple that is. If I want to take that light and have it not spread quite as far, then I can add a honeycomb grid. It magnets right on. How great that is. It's so easy to use with a MagMod product. Or if I really want to diffuse it even more, I have an additional, I call it the lunch lady cover, additional cover to diffuse that light even more. So, it's the new MagMod collapsible beauty dish. If you're interested in having one for your kit, and this great carry case that comes with it so you could be transportable and take it wherever you are, comment down below and let us know that you're ready to have yours added to your system today. Check us out at Paul's Photo, paulsphoto.com, the Creative Photo Academy, and the lab at Paul's Photo. Go out and shoot some beauties.